not trade news. This is something that beginners do, okay? There is no need to trade news. There is no need to trade news. You can just trade your edge, okay? Because you know that your edge is statistically proven and you don't know that the news is going to be bullish or bearish. Do not trade them. When I was a beginner, I used to trade it. Now I don't trade it. I even don't know that this is the kind of news that we are going to be getting. I simply wait. And I wait for my time, which is from 9:30 to 11. And in this time zone, on 9:30, I execute the 9:30 surge model. And on after the 9:30, I execute the institutional gap model. US 30 seems bearish, but the 9:30 surge model, now both of the setups are not aligned, okay? The 9:30 surge model says I'm bullish, and the institutional gap model says I'm bearish. Let me just take a look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ can give us a short-term bearish move to just take their stop losses, the news where people buy it over there. But I'm bullish on NASDAQ too, on long term. Simply looking at 15-minute time frame. I'm not even switching to 1 hour. Like people start from daily and then they just go like switch like that. There are a lot of ways to trade in the market, but I trade differently. If you look at that daily, the daily range is like crazy, up and down, same range. If you look at the 4 hour, man, it's so confusing. I don't know how people trade it like that. Yeah, it can be understandable. Like we look at it, there is a gap over there, which means that I'm bullish over there, and the 1 hour at that point, like a lot of confusion. Simply look at 1 minute time frame and statistically prove it that it works. Okay, that's all. If you go to like all these time frames, it is going to be confusing. As expected, it's going bullish. Okay, we have 9:30. Let's go. Let's go. We have only 24 seconds, 22 seconds left. Let me just get serious, man. I was chilling over there. Let's go serious. Let's go serious, baby. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Today I'm protective, okay? Bullish on Nasdaq and bullish on US 30 both. We'll be waiting and we'll be updating if I'm buying. As expected, Nasdaq is going bullish. US 30 is a little bit manipulating at that point. Waiting game, waiting game. According to my edge, this is simply a buy setup over there. But I'm not taking it. If I take it, it is going to be a stop loss. I'm just using my market experience. As expected, we got a V shape on the US 30. What did I say it, guys? This is what the market experience look like, baby. This is what the market experience look like. When you have knowledge, this is what knowledge look like. I said we are going to be getting a V shape, and we got a V shape. Master of one time frame, nothing else. Now at that point, I'm getting a bearish setup, but I'm not taking it. There are some things that I want to see to happen. It's basically the 9:30 surge model, okay? Not institutional gap model. There is liquidity over there, a lot of. Nasdaq is also going to give me a V shape because this is a pattern. It has to follow it. The reason I'm profitable is that I know what the market is going to be doing. I trade based on the patterns. Simple. Exactly. I'm getting a V shape over there on the Nasdaq too. This is what I wanted to see. Now, if it can give me a move like that and it goes like that and it goes away from this area, it will be a good buy opportunity for me to trade it. And I can target this area. Waiting game. According to my edge, this was simply a buy setup, but I didn't took it. Market experience. The 930 surge model is not for beginners. It's not like every single person can trade it. There are a lot of stuffs over there in the 930 surge model. You need to back test it a lot in order to master it, because if you statistically watch that, it's a lot of traders who trade like the 930 opens are unprofitable because there are huge manipulations over there. Now I can see the US 30 can move bullish, but that's a sign, not execution. We want execution criteria to happen, okay? And Nasdaq is going bearish to take out these buyers who buy at news, okay? And they will be thinking that 930 open will be also be in my favor, but they are wrong. They are getting stop out. Almost half of them got out at their point. The institutional gap model was basically saying over there that I'm bearish. If I look at that point, it was simply telling me that I'm bearish. This is why. When both of setup says that I'm buying, I'm selling, I'm not trading at that point. I just wait, just like that. And I waited, I just saved my 2 stop losses. And for all of the one mentorship student, there is a news on 10 o'clock, okay? Yesterday was also news on 10 o'clock. So be safe. Don't expect to it, don't expect the institutional gap model to give you a good setup over there, or a kind of setup where you can just risk a lot. You should be risking down today. As expected, Nasdaq can go, US 30 can go bullish, okay? Thing I wanted to see. Good job. Good job. I buyed US 30, okay? If this got a stop loss, it will be a stop loss. It's okay. We have to take it sometime. I entered even before the entry criteria happens, but I know it is gonna go bullish. Waiting game, guys, and waiting game overs, and we executed, okay? And we are running in profits. That's how we trade. First we wait, then we just enter. I'm running in good profits over there. Actually, I buyed over there at that point. At that point. But I said that I'm buying, so for you guys, it's here. Just like that. Literally, bro, I'm doing that every single day. Every single day in front of everyone. Just like that, baby. And Nasdaq, as expected, Nasdaq is giving me a V shape. Just telling the market whatever it has to do. I'm just telling the market, baby, you have to do that, and it is just following my orders. Nothing special, guys. Nothing special, okay? Daily routine. Nothing special. That's my daily routine. Good job, baby. Good job. Good job. Now you can just book your 80%, 90%, and let the 10% run. And don't close it. I'm extremely bullish over there. That's how we trade every single day. Full TP hit over there. but I'm still letting 10% run today. Crazy. Man, like who else can trade like that? Can you just tell me one name over there who can trade like that? Every single day, not one day, every single day, every single day. And I cannot hide my results, okay? Like it's live. So if someone can hide it, it is gonna be like they will be trading it alone. I'm not trading it alone. I'm saying that okay, I'm buying, I'm saying I'm selling. Like I'm literally doing every single thing in front of everyone. Killed it again. Crazy win streak. Monday was a TB. Tuesday was a TB. Wednesday was a TB. Like today is Wednesday. Yeah, exactly. We got again another banger, and this is a huge banger. Like if I look at the trade, this is a huge banger. Let me just take a screenshot. Let me just flex a little bit today. Should I flex it or not? Okay, let's flex it, baby. Let's flex it. That's how we trade every single day, baby. That's how we trade. First I waited, then I executed. Simple. Simple. You don't need to be like in a hurry, okay? Simple games. Just booked my 10% over there too. I don't need more. That's enough for me. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Just share the screenshot, okay, too. Okay, so can where are the members? Where are the members? Where are the members? So guys, this is how we trade. The artist is in front of you. uh, who traded over there on the institutional gap model? Who traded over there? Update your screenshots in the private mentorship chat, okay? Update your screenshots. And after that, don't expect any good move on the institutional gap model because you already got it. Don't expect it. Good job, buddy. Good job. That's a great move today. And we closed it up over there. We don't care. We don't care about more. All we want is that. And let me just show you too, like what was the profit over there. Let me just show that up to you. Let's go, baby. Share the screen. You guys can just go over there. Okay, if someone traded over there, they can also share their screenshots on the daily profits. Okay, daily profit section. That's the banger. I was hiding the profit over there, but it's okay. That's the banger. Every day, every single day. That's how we trade every single day. Guys, see you tomorrow. We are done for the day. See you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow. And let's get into mentorship chat. We are gonna be talking over there. So bye-bye. Bye-bye, babies. Bye-bye.